In this video presentation, we will explain the benefits and applications of the Husqvarna K970 chain with a few simple demonstrations. Starting the machine's easy, even when starting cold, thanks to the Air Purge and decompression valve. The Husqvarna K970 chain can make openings as small as 110 by 110 millimeters and is perfect for cutting openings with irregular shapes. To show you this, we will cut a small window right through the reinforced concrete, followed by a hole for a structural H-beam. With the possibility of making 400mm or 16-inch deep cuts from one side, this particular machine is ideal for cutting small openings and adjusting window and door openings. The Smart Carb built-in automatic filter compensation maintains high power and lowers the fuel consumption.
Engines with X-Torq produce 75% less emissions, 20% lower fuel consumption, and more power compared to a conventional two-stroke power cutter.
Have a look at our video on the Husqvarna K970 ring to see how the chainsaw is an excellent complement to a wall saw or ring saw, to avoid overcutting at corners, for example. For more information regarding handling and service on your Husqvarna K970 chain, refer to your operator's manual.